So hello and welcome to next part of this video. So in this video we are going to create animations for our character. So in previous part we done movement part of our character, and now we are giving animations to our character. So if you haven't watched the previous part of this video, so make sure to check out the description, and there I will mention the link for the previous part of this video. So in this part we are going to create animations. So we have downloaded all the animations in the previous part, and now we are just going to set them up. So first thing, make sure to subscribe our channel and like the video. And if you want written notes of this tutorial, I also have written notes. So make sure to comment for written notes, and I will provide you written notes of this video. So first of all, go to your animations folder and right click and go to animation and create animation blueprint, and choose our skeleton as the skeleton of the character which we downloaded in previous part, and just create and name it anim bp or whatever you want, and then open it. After opening this, just create a state machine, and name it locomotion. Then compile and save this. Then go to your content browser, right click, and we need to create a blend space. So just go to animations, legacy, blend space 1D, and again select our character and then name it blend space. You can name it whatever you want, then open it, and then onto asset details, just go to horizontal axis and rename it as speed, and set the max axis to 600. After this, drag your idle animation, walking animation, and running animation, and onto the idle animation set the speed as 0, and onto walking animation set the speed as 150, and onto running animation set the speed as max 500, and make sure to go to sample smoothing and weight speed to 5. What this will do, this will just smooth the animation transitions, and just save. And after this we need to create an input for sprinting. So just go to your input folder, right click, go to input and create input action, and name it IA speed, or you can name it as sprint also. Then open it. Okay, and then go to your IMC character, the character mapping we created, and then click on create a mapping, and then select our speed and add a key value. So you can add any. I am adding left shift, and then just save this. Then go to your blueprint of player, third person blueprint, and here search for speed and set this to 150, 1.5. Then just compile and save. Then go to your anim blueprint and drag the blend space we just created. Okay, then compile and save. And after this, go to event graph of your anim blueprint, and then drag the execution node of event blueprint update animation, and then just cast your third person character here. Connect the object pin to the return value of get pawn. Then on to as BP third person, search for get velocity and get it. Then on to the return value of get velocity, get we need to get length. We need to get vector length and then promote this vector length to variable and rename it as speed and connect these pins and then compile, save. Then go to locomotion and open that blend space we just added here and connect the speed pin here and then hit compile, save. Then go to your third person blueprint and then just select the blueprint we just created. Then hit compile, save, and yeah, then just hit play and you can see our character is walking. And yeah, we forgot on to implement the sprinting system, so just drag your input speed and then on trigger. Okay, so first of all we need to drop our character movement and get max speed. Okay, sorry, we need to set max speed, set max walk speed to 500 and connect it to trigger and then just copy this walk speed and do it as 150. Connect the character movement to target and then on completed need to trigger this speed and then just hit compile, save, and yeah, now you can see our character is walking and if I press shift it is running also. Okay, so now let's set up our jumping animation. So first of all, go to your anim blueprint, event graph, and then from cast to BP third person, just drag the as BP third person node and search for is falling, and then promote this is falling return value to promote variable, and then just name it falling. Okay, I already have one, so let me delete it and then is falling. Then just connect this to the speed variable, compile, save, and then go to your locomotion and drag your jumping up animation and falling idle animation. Then just make the transitions between them. Okay, from idle to jumping, just go to this node and then drag your is falling and connect it and then just hit compile, save, and then go back and then from jumping up to falling idle just select this and go to automatic rule base on sequence, tick it and then hit compile, and then from your falling idle to your idle just click this node, drag your is falling, get, and then search for not boolean and then just connect these pins and then just hit compile, save, and then hit play and all our animations are working fine. And then after clicking jump space bar, our character is jumping properly. Okay, so if you like this video, make sure to subscribe our channel and click the like button. And also, if you want the written notes for how to create a character, I can provide it. Just comment for it. Okay, so